Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about another typer feature which is called CLI up directory. So this is going to be a typer video. Technically the CLI application directory is some place in your system which is going to be available with a function, and you have the option to store, for example, configuration files in it. Let's see how you can use it. CLI up there is the name that we want to use for this script, and what we would like to do is to import from the pathlib the path class, and we would like to create our app name, which is going to be called CLI app there. And in our main function what we would like to do is to reference it. So basically our up there variable will be populated by the typer get up there and application name. Now our configuration file is going to be coming from the OS let's import the OS module. So os.path.sep.join app name and app there. So technically hold on and config. Now we can use the typer.echo to print out the app there, and typer.echo config file, and let's create another variable here. I'm just going to bring it down. So it should be the app name and .config. If the underscore name equals main, then we would like to use the typer.run main. Let's open up our console, navigate to the directory and use the CLI up there. Hold on, scripts activate and run it. It should be a list or a set that you pass there, and here we can see the path, and here we can see the configuration file name. And what we can also do is to add the app there. So technically this is where we should store the configuration file. This directory will come or will be made up of the path where Python is configured when you are installing it, so you should use that. And technically that was all I wanted to show you in this video. See you in the next one.